Sometimes, only a few pages from massive PDF documents are relevant to your work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract these useful pages using PDFelement with just a few clicks. Let's get started! First of all, open a PDF document by clicking the Open button. Then, navigate to the Page tab. Select the pages you want to extract, and click the Extract button, or right-click on the thumbnail. In the pop-up window, I can specify the page range, or extract even or odd pages. As you can see, a new PDF document has been created containing the pages I selected. Importantly, my original PDF document hasn't been modified. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. See you next time!